Place, CCN. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. A coalition of Australia's peak industry bodies representing the HVAC and R industry have written to the federal government calling for more action on indoor air quality, including a public education campaign on the airborne transmission of COVID-19. The letter to the Minister for Health and Aged Care, Greg Hunt, has been signed by ERA, the Association of Consulting Architects, the Indoor Air Quality Association, and the Air Conditioning and Mechanical Contractors Association, just to name a few. There is a collective view that more substantial guidance is required on the airborne transmission of COVID-19. The coalition said this information needs to be endorsed by government for Australians to safely return to work. The letter points out that while ventilation can reduce the spread of COVID-19, it is only one part of a much broader strategy. ERA's CEO, Tony Gleeson, said our industry has experts and decades of experience in ventilation and indoor air quality. He said we have vital technical expertise and connections within the built environment and are eager to work with government to support all Australians. Daikin has acquired 75 acres of land in India to build a large manufacturing plant for air conditioners. It will be the third plant Daikin has built in India, with plans for it to begin operations in 2023. The plant will have a total capacity of 1.5 million units per year and will create up to 3,000 jobs. The manufacturing plant will serve both the domestic and international markets. The market penetration for air conditioners in India is still only at 5 to 6%, so there is huge potential for growth in that country. New South Wales this week released a bold new plan to slash emissions by 50% below 2005 levels by 2030. The previous target was a 35% reduction over the same time period. New South Wales has matched the South Australian target, which is also 50%. The Australian Capital Territory has gone even further with a 65% reduction, while Tasmania has already achieved net zero emissions. The federal government's target is a paltry 26 to 28% reduction by 2030. Optimists are hoping the Prime Minister will announce new target for Australia ahead of the Glasgow Climate Change Conference in November. My advice, don't hold your breath. Okay, in product news, Daikin has announced the release of its new AirHub touch controller, which was actually designed here in Australia. It comes in two versions and allows users to control up to 8 individual zones. The controller is available now. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temperzone. Thank you for watching.